Hello, stock investors. I hope all of you are having a great day. I haven't made a video in a little while, and with us hitting all-time highs, I like the market in the very, very short term. Now, I think in the long term, we're going to run into problems. I do think that the recession indicators are there and that eventually we will see a recession, but that does not appear to be right now. And so you can make some money in the short term with some of these strategies. And one of my favorite strategies to utilize is my Billionaires Club strategy. What it does is it takes the investments that are reported in 13F filings and it picks out value picks within those value investors. And I have had a ton of success doing this, and I share this absolutely free with you, and I want to cover these with you and do a video going forward. All right, so you might think, well, how can you say that? Well, let me give you an idea of the returns and the win rate that we have on this strategy over 2023. In 2023, 93.3% win rate. Now, these are slow picks. These are stocks that are bought, and the soonest they get absolutely alert to a sell signal is 7 weeks. And so it does not take a lot of trading, does not take hardly any time. And that's why I love it so much. But let me give you an idea. These are the last 10 exit points of the Billionaires Club strategy. All of them are for a gain. We start off with CSCO, Cisco, for 5.22% gain, OGN for a 35.60% gain, ALC for a 6.07% gain, IBKR for a 9.59% gain, EL for a 12.95% gain, MRK for a 13.88% gain, General Motors GM for a 26.62% gain, Moderna mRNA for a 28.04% gain, ALGN Align Technology for a 28.64% gain, and finally eBay Incorporated for a 9.33% gain. And so all of these have had so much success now that is over the fourth quarter that all of those were sold. Some of those were sold in the beginning of the first quarter just a couple of days ago, but those are my last 10 as part of that strategy. Anyway, I have some new ones for you. So that is the reason why we're here. I have 3 new stocks that fit the strategy absolutely perfectly that I just entered in myself. I alerted my entire Patreon group to it. And I'm going to share those 3 with you today as I feel that they are going to do very, very well. Now, let's get into it and take a look. And you might be, well, where are you finding these stocks? Well, there is a website, and it's valuecider.com, and it's checking the super investors. And all of these picks come from Paul Launtzis. I probably said that wrong. Launtzis Asset Management. So all of these come from there, and they are stocks within there that that are pretty interesting. Now, not all of these are winners. In fact, I found most of these to not be good investments after going through my value things that I'm looking for. But I'm going to show you the chart on 3 that I really, really like, and hopefully you like them too. And you see what you can do, and we can go from there. So the very first one is ticker symbol GEF. This is Greif Incorporated. And as you can see here, this is the weekly chart, and these are DeMark buy signals. And so each candle is 1 week, and we have a fresh buy signal again on GEF. And GEF I like for an entry point. I personally entered with my own money in it today. I started a position in this stock, and I liked it because it was reported that the institutional investor owned it. And also we have buy signals here, and I tend to not disagree with DeMark buy signals. They are extremely powerful, and as you can see here in the past, there were a couple buy signals here, and you can see entry and exit. So see how successful that can be, especially on the weekly chart. It is so powerful. Well, anyway, this has had a lot of buy signals, and now that we have that portfolio management, capital management company that is loading up, and this is showing up here. I think this might get a little bit more attention. Anyway, I like it for the long haul. The soonest I could sell, and I say long haul, I like it for 7 weeks. At least 7 weeks. And what I'm looking for is one of these sell signals on the weekly chart for exit point. All right, let's get into the next one. The next one is United Healthcare. This happens to be the healthcare company that I have. So anyway, not that that matters at all, but I've been a customer of theirs. And you can see here again, we have buy signals way back here in June of 22. And what a nice opportunity this was, this nice move to the upside. Had some buys here, never had sell signals, then bam, up here at the higher range at 537. Well, we have a fresh buy signal here. And this morning, I entered this. This is this week, and this video is being made on Monday. Anyway, I like this for at least a 7-week move to the upside. Now, if it continues to go down and we have more buy signals, I will use a portion of my cash portfolio and most likely purchase more as a value investor. So I like this one, and you know, I do believe, and it has in the past moved up after buy signals, and so this should be a good stock here moving forward. And last but not least is ticker symbol XOM. This is Exxon Mobil Corporation. And oil and gas could see a price increase here. This one is a little bit outside the buy signals. We had a quick move to the upside, which canceled those. And now we're at a DeMark 3. I'm looking to get into this now because we had these buy signals here. And so looking for a nice move to the upside. This is yet another one that I think will do very, very well after these buy signals. You can see back here, all the way back in August 2021, that was the last buy signals we saw on this. And this has been on an absolute tear ever since. Nice solid move here. I mean, nothing exciting, you know, about a 10% gain here. It looks like over a couple of months, but I like this. I like this stock right now. I do think that with everything geopolitically that we have going on, there is a possibility we could see gas prices move up. You know, at least this is a good value, and I feel rather secure going into it. Now, if you want access to these, I have full access where you can get sooner access than one of these videos. You can check that out in the description down below. I hope all of you have success trading. All these Billionaires Club picks are absolutely free. You can become a free member on my Patreon. If you so decide, we do have levels like the insiders. The insiders are very, very spectacular in my opinion. They continue to do well. If you want to know what insider stocks are doing and which ones are good and which ones aren't, then you may take a look at least know my opinion on those. Anyway, I wish you all the best in the stock market, and Raythoven out.